won a more than $650 million U.S. Army contract to build an unspecified additional number of Uh-60 Black Hawk ground support helicopters, the Defense Department announced. The Defense Department said in a news statement on Thursday that Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company of Stratford, Connecticut, had been granted a $656,774,666 modification contract for Uh-60M aircraft. According to the press release, work on the contract will be carried out in Stratford, Connecticut, during the ensuing 4.5 years, with an anticipated completion date of June 30, 2027. According to the announcement, the U.S. military uses the Uh-60M variant of the Uh-60M to carry out special missions. In order to address the country's strategic needs, the Australian Defence Ministry earlier announced that it would buy 40 Uh-60M Black Hawk multipurpose helicopters from the United States for its armed forces. The ministry issued a statement saying the Australian government will purchase 40 Uh-60M Black Hawk helicopters for the Australian Army. According to Chief Land Capabilities Major General Jeremy Kane, this agreement is necessary to meet the strategic needs of the Australian Army, safeguard national sovereignty, and advance the nation's foreign policy objectives. In times of crisis, the Black Hawk will support the deployment of our troops and their gear where they are required. According to him, the Black Hawk is a dependable, tested, and mature platform that is backed by a strong worldwide supply chain. The announcement states that the helicopter deliveries would start in 2023. According to the Australian Broadcasting Corporation, the Black Hawks would take the place of European Tapen helicopters, and the agreement would cost $2.8 billion Australian dollars, $2 billion. The Australian authorities claim that Tapen helicopters were exceedingly unreliable and did not live up to expectations. In 1979, the Uh-60 Black Hawk entered service with the U.S. military. The helicopter is primarily utilized as a tactical transport and is available in many variations with various modifications. The Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DRPA, and Sikorsky, a branch of Lockheed Martin, previously successfully demonstrated how a Black Hawk helicopter flying without any human crew could dependably undertake cargo resupply and rescue missions, according to the corporation in a press statement. Sikorsky and DRPA have successfully demonstrated to the U.S. Army for the first time how an unoccupied Black Hawk helicopter flying autonomously can undertake internal and external cargo resupply missions, as well as a rescue operation, the statement said on Wednesday. According to a press release, the test drills were conducted on October 12, 14, and 18 as a part of the U.S. Army's Project Convergence 2022 experiment. The flights demonstrate how piloted utility helicopters of the present and the future may one day carry out difficult missions with a small crew or autonomously, according to the press release. According to the announcement, this capability would provide U.S. Army commanders and aviators more options in how and when to utilize aircraft and pilots, particularly in low visibility or disputed settings.
Perfect. All right. Good, June. Maybe a call 30. Yeah. Waterway is 3.